Hello friends, welcome to Ishansh Heart Health, focusing on preventive healthcare. My name is Siddharth Upadhyay. I am a certified nutritionist specializing in heart health nutrition and child nutrition. I am also a BLS provider certified from American Heart Association. So in today's video, we're going to talk about heart attack. So basically, what are the reasons of heart attack, how it occurs. Okay, so first of all, keep in mind that heart attack, there's nothing natural about it. So if somebody is getting a heart attack, it's not a natural thing to happen. Okay. Before moving on to what a heart attack is, first we want to know that what is an artery. So artery are basically blood vessels that provides bloods to cells. So it provides oxygenated bloods and nutrients to cells. Arteries function in that manner. So there is a special kind of artery called as coronary artery. So coronary arteries are basically arteries that provide blood, oxygenated blood to heart muscle. Okay. So any artery provides blood to cells. Coronary arteries are arteries that provide blood to heart muscle. So let's say this is a coronary artery and it provides blood is flowing like this, and this is providing blood to cells of heart muscles. In certain conditions, through bad diet or stress or certain bad lifestyle, a thing called plaquing occurs. Plaquing is a plaque buildup. So if let's say this is an artery and blood is flowing like this here, over time sometimes this kind of a plaque occurs, obstructing the blood flow. So this is a plaque over here, it's obstructing the blood flow. So now the blood is only moving through this much part rather than the entire artery. This process in which blood flow is obstructed is called as angina, A-N-G-I-N-A. So angina is a condition in which the blood flow is restricted. What happens is, if this plaque grows bigger and bigger, let's say, and it grows bigger and it blocks the blood flow. So the plaque is like this and it is blocking the blood flow. So in this case, the heart muscles over here. So this is a coronary artery and this is a plaque which has got very big, or you can say this plaque ruptures. So when the plaque ruptures inside the artery, it basically blocks the artery. So when the artery is blocked through this plaque, then the heart blood cells, heart cells do not receive the oxygenated blood. So this results in something called as a heart attack. Okay. So heart attack occurs basically when the coronary artery gets blocked through plaquing. And plaquing basically happens due to bad diet or stressful conditions or bad lifestyle. Okay, these are the primary parameters that cause plaquing. Okay, so this is all about heart attack. Thanks a lot for watching this video.